Welcome back to another Traitor-Dev video, and boy oh boy have I got the goodies today. So, for starters, we have a bunch of brand new nodes. There is this beautiful stainless steel oven. Microwave was here before, but it kind of made sense to put into the little mini kitchen type thing, right? We got the little countertop thing here. We got this beautiful stainless steel refrigerator, like industrial, commercial, professional series, whatever. I'm gonna add a normal household one that's not super fancy, super expensive, one. But yeah, we've got those. We have the glorious grandfather clock. This is quite the nice timepiece here. It doesn't actually tell time, so yeah, but it does look nice. It's a pretty sweet decoration. We have the water jug cooler doodad thing. This is kind of going, with the office themed furniture that I've been building. So these were kind of for like the break room in the office. So we got the water cooler, the refrigerator. We already had the microwave. We got the stove. Was there another piece of furniture that I added? I don't think so. I think that was it for new furniture. Yeah. So that's the new furniture. Let's move on to the upgrades to the XP stuff. So I don't want to call it a completely overhauled shop, but pretty much completely overhauled shop. We have new help text here, so you can read all of that at your leisure. We have a little player stats section in the corner here. It tells you off your XP, your HP, and your luck. You can increase luck. You can increase your health points. But both of those obviously require XP, and I don't have enough XP to actually do it, which is kind of sad. But here's how the math behind the scenes works. Increasing your health points, you start at 20. That's the default value. And every increment up in health you do is the new health value times 10. So I'm at 20 health points now, so to increase to 21 health points, it'll cost 210 XP. And then it'll be 220 to go up to 22, 230 to go up to 23, 240 to go, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. You get the point. I believe it does max out at some value, but I don't remember what. I should mention here, though, the health points won't protect you from the traitor. The shank is an insta-kill, so you can have all the health points in the world you want, and that's not going to help you. This is for something else, which we will get to after I cover luck. Luck is a little different. So luck level is 0, as you can tell here. You can go up to 10, I believe. Every luck level is 100 XP times whatever the levels you're upgrading to. So I'm at 0 to upgrade to 1 luck is 100 XP, 200 XP to get to 2 luck, 300 XP to get to, et cetera, et cetera. You get the point. Currently, luck is only used for your chances of retrieving items from things that items can be stashed in, which we will cover shortly. The health point, let me actually go someplace where we can demo this. I conveniently have one such a location existing, the pit of lava. So if I run into this pit of lava, see I lose some health. And if you watch, my health goes back up. This is now a regenerative health. So you don't have to survive if you take damage on whatever that amount of health was. Your health will climb back up to whatever your maximum health was. So the advantage of upgrading your health is that I could spend longer in something that's causing damage or fall farther before I die, and then my health will still regen back up to that level. So there's a reason why you would want to upgrade your health if you like taking risks. Here I can't jump over, but if I could and I fell to the bottom, I maybe wouldn't die. Of course, I only have 20 health points, so I wouldn't really risk it. There's not the best chance in the world that I wouldn't. Another new change, now that there's more things to spend your XP on, and this is not completely fleshed out yet. There's one small error that it prevents people that have the build privilege from earning XP in the lobby. So if well, let me first show you. I have 71 XP available. If I run over here, hopefully these doors stay open long enough. There we go. And I've got a couple tasks down here that I happened to, grab some repair pieces for, just to make sure that I'd be able to do this. I'll throw this one in here too, just because. I still only have 71 points available. And you might be thinking, well, that's why would you do that? Well, see, I'm building a new lobby. I haven't actually started building it yet, but there's gonna be a new lobby built, and there's gonna be like mini games, things that you can do in the lobby to earn points, and they're going to involve those moving platforms that I showed last week. But see, here's the thing: if you have all the builder privs and you can, fly around, nobody has no clip of myself, but if you can fly around and all of that, you could just fly to the button at the end of the level, and you could kind of cheat the system and just earn unlimited XP. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't know if I want to put it in the shop. Probably not. It'll probably just be a new node that you can click on, and it'll revoke your builder privs, but you'll still actually keep the builder privs, so you can restore your privileges, but you'll be able to earn XP in the lobby. That's not implemented yet. So if you are building levels, you can't earn XP in any fashion other than winning matches. So yeah, it's a minor detail. I'm working on it. It just a little something that has to be fixed. Speaking of some minor details, we have more items we can stash things in. So you can stash things in the grandfather clock. The cabinets can now have items stashed in them as well. And get this, you can still change the color by clicking and punching on them with an empty hand or with anything in your hand but the wrench. And furthermore, if you are playing a level that you've built, so it's an area that you protected, while you're playing, you can't change the colors of the furniture. You used to be able to do that. Now you can't. You can only change it while you're in builder mode. If you're playing the game, even if it's your level, all of the furniture dyeing stuff does not work, which is important because of the current implementation for searching for items. So in the current implementation, let me go ahead and just throw a bunch of keys in here. In the current implementation, you just punch the node to search it. Clearly we see an issue here though, right? I'm changing the color, I'm not searching the node. So if I do this little trick and that's the wrong little trick. I want to do revoke creative. Now when oh, hey, that's not what's supposed to be happening. Oh, revoke me creative. There we go. Now when I punch it, it doesn't change colors. And at some point, theoretically, if I keep punching this long enough, I should get a key eventually. I have 0 luck though, so chances are extremely slim that I'll ever find one. I do need to rework the whole search system because right now you can just spam click, which isn't optimal. It should really be based with a right click and then something, but yeah. So that's been fixed, so that's good. Otherwise, in the past, on levels you built, you couldn't find anything in items, which is kind of, kind of not great. All right, so with creative back, I can change the color on this. Swell. Other items that can be stashed. What else can be stashed? The cabinets can, these cabinets can, the grandfather clock can, because you could hide something inside of a grandfather clock. Oh, the desk. You can stash things inside of the desk now. And again, you can still change its color, so that's neato. I feel like I'm forgetting some other things. Am I? What all have I changed? I did all of that. There were some minor I don't know if I should call them performance, but some minor code cleanup type things that I did. But that's all kind of just behind the scenes stuff that you won't see. I think I tweaked some sound effects on a couple little things. That might really be it. I am working still on some more different furnitures, so if there's a specific piece of furniture... Oh! I forgot. The chests. You can also stash things in the chests now. So these three can all be used to hide items in as well. If there's some specific piece of furniture you would like to see, let me know, and I will do my best to make some. These cushions I'm going to make bouncy, but I don't think that's available yet. I think I have to wait till the 5.5 release. But then cushions should be bouncy, so you can use those to negate fall damage, which will be good. Yeah, I think that's it for new nodes, new visuals, new front end stuff. Like I said, there's been some other stuff I did on the backside, but unless you're reading the code, you can't really see that happening. So yeah, that's gonna do it. Enjoy the new nodes, build some glorious kitchens and break rooms. I'm working on office furniture right now because I kind of need that for the lobby, for the new lobby that I'm building. I'm like, there's gonna be like a little office kind of receptionist area thing. So yeah, that's why I'm working on that kind of stuff right now. But again, if there's any specific furniture you need for your levels or you would like to see, let me know. Also, just shameless self-promotion here, the models are also available in my portfolio. So if you're interested in using these models for your own mods, the models and textures and the source file are all available to download on my website on the portfolio. So, hey, added bonus! Also, I'll shill from, I take donations too, so if you want to donate to those models, well, you're donating to me, but for the models, that'd be cool. All right, that's going to wrap it up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.